Hello and welcome to Rust, Sweat and ADOs. Today was going to be a really exciting day. I plan to spend some time working on the shed project behind me, and we're also going to spend some time working on the Project Lily. Because I'm doing that as a mini-series, I'll do a separate introduction to that, so apologies if it looks a little bit weird, but I want to keep it as a history of that car project, so I keep them grouped together by the project car that it is, and then when we come back to them later we can just continue adding to that series as a kind of a history. Also today we're hoping to take delivery of our new cars. You may have seen on Autoshite and also a little bit on Facebook about them. For those of you who have not seen, it should be exciting for you. Which is where it all went wrong, really. Generally, I collect my own cars. As you've probably seen, I got the Mondeo estate with the tow bar on the back, so I just borrow a trailer and go and collect my own cars. Because we bought a pair of cars that were quite a long way away, it didn't make a lot of sense for us to drive up there twice in one and collect them both separately. Even though one's MOT'd, because we got somebody going up there to collect mine, which is not MOT'd and doesn't work, we thought it was easier just to get somebody to bring them both down to mine, and then the plan was for Tom to work over his Reliant Robin and then drive it home. So contacted a friend who's recovered a couple of vehicles for me. He moved my KA and my Mondeo and I think another other car as well, and he went up early morning. So this is Sunday morning, about 7 o'clock he got there. Loaded my white car on first because that's the one that doesn't work. I don't know what's wrong with it, to be honest. It looks to me like it's had a small fire, but there was nothing in the listing about that. So once it arrives, we'll take a walk around there and see what's visibly wrong with my Robin before attempting to start it. And Tom's Robin was going to go on last. The guy measured his trailer, and unfortunately, it's not long enough. So Tom's on his way up here at the moment on his motorbike. He's probably freezing. So I've got the heating on ready for him to thaw out when he gets here. Expecting to get his Robin delivered today. His Robin is taxed, MOT and insured, so he was going to drive it home, albeit probably breaking down on the way home. So the second video today was going to be us fixing his blue one so that he can drive it home. Now obviously that's not going to happen because his is still stuck in Scotland. Now, Tom doesn't know this. No. Because he's on his motorbike, I've not rang him. I didn't want to interrupt him while he was riding. So we're going to hopefully get a reaction video. Now, it could go horrendously wrong because I've not spoken to him in the slightest. So he's completely unaware this is going to happen. But being as I only get about 50 people watching this channel, who cares? So hopefully he's going to turn up any minute now. When he does, I will obviously grab the camera and go out and see him and film a reaction video. Ooh. Oh. I have some terrible news for you.
What?
Your oven's not coming today.
Is it not?
No, didn't fit.
Which didn't fit? Mine's not coming.
Yours is not coming today. It didn't fit.
Are you fucking serious?
I am serious.
Oh, fuck's sake. I got to ride home. Oh, you're a cunt. Why didn't you put mine on rather than yours?
You put mine on first because it's the one that doesn't work. Stuck yours on the back and he says apparently it's inches out.
Oh, you told him it was 2, right?
Yeah, I mentioned it was 2. Apparently as a man he can't measure properly.
Oh, you're fucking joking.
Well, did you enjoy your ride up anyway?
It was alright.
Oh no, what? Stuck on the engine. The beast.
On the way?
On some.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, literally just lift the front up a bit.
Yeah, just lift it up, you'll be alright.
Front up a bit and it should clear.
I'm recording, I can't help. You only want to get past the bell housing.
Can we wiggle it?
Just get past the bell housing, you'll be alright.
more fiberglass in my fingers today. We had to literally turn it around on his driveway. And the steering's locked, didn't it? So there's three of us, picked the front end up, spun it round. Yeah, he went and got his son out of bed.
He was up at 6, you know. Well, or before that.
Oh.
I think we're still caught, aren't we?
Yeah, it's still on the front.
You don't need the sump. Sump's not important.
It's irrelevant, isn't it? Can we give it a... get another wiggle?
Oh!
Well, I'll tell you now, it's not locked.
It's bottoming out on the ramps now.
Okay, it's alright.
Give it a little shove. It's alright, it's only fiberglass. I'm just going to not stand right in front of it. You're beached on the front.
Off beach, yeah, it does that.
Down there.
Go on then.
I'm loose.
Oh, I bet you are.
What?
Nothing.
Roads, mate.
Oh, yeah, number plate's going to bottom out. I can tell already. Can the first thing we do be to undo the steering lock?
I would.
You just smash the ignition barrel out.
Oh, the other one starts with a pair of scissors.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, I thought it was a teaspoon, so that's close enough.
Yeah, you've
I
got
think
to it.
anything that's kind of flat.
Can we fix the ignition barrels before we put this on YouTube? Now that the man's told everybody.
Right. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's what. So
What?
just trying to get over this bit.
Oh, is that what it is?
Give it a shove, and I'll stand back. Come on.
Right.
You've had your Weetabix.
Go on then.
So where are you abandoning this? It's about to fall off the ramp.
It's fine. Yeah. Keep going, you'll be right.
Whee!
Oh! I'll take 5, I've got to get my hook off.
Where's you going? I've got to get my hook off.
At least it's got tyres on the back.
Fully back.
Yeah, I need to get my hook off. It's looped round the axle.
Hell, how did you get that one there?
I imagine with a great amount of difficulty.
Where's my metal plate? The old.
It's there in the footwell. I saw it. You can keep your 400 quid. I'll take the other one.
Yeah, I think the other one sounds better.
Starts with a teaspoon. That's already better.
Right, I'm under here.
Can you break the steering lock?
Stinks in there.
There's a few times resting on big test that you got in.
Hey, the door sounds good.
Hey?
The door sounds good.
Sounds like an Audi.
Sounds like a Bentley, that does. Oh,
That sounds like 1970s.
It does sound like 1970. What it smells of is despair. I said that doesn't sound good, you need it.
I think you bought a peach. Oh, look at all that under there. That looks lovely. Is it locked? Oh, no. Nice bit of delamination. The boot's locked.
Well, it will be, won't it? When it's been closed locked, will it?
Well, it's a press button, it should.
Hey?
I'm just doing a bit of recording for you. Look at that. You know what's happened to this? It's sat under a tree for like a year and a half, hasn't it?
He's jet washed it off, that's all he's done. I don't even want to think how much he paid for it.
Bugger all, I bet.
He ain't going to pay those